Hi, and welcome back to the channel. If you want to change the username of your Pinterest account and you don't know how to do it, in today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can do that. So to begin our video, first thing you need to do is to open your Pinterest application on your device. Make sure that you're signed in to your account. Right at the bottom, you will find the option of your profile. You need to tap on that. Once you access your profile, here you need to tap on your profile name here. And then you need to tap on your profile again, and here you will find the edit profile option. So you need to tap on edit profile, and right here you will find your username. So all you need to do is to tap on it. You need to erase the one that they choose for you, or if you choose it by yourself, you can erase that one and then type in the new username. Once you do that, just tap on done. So once you tap on done, I will go back to show you that it has been changed now. So guys, this is all it takes to change your username on Pinterest. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.